Guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a front porch and a driveway tear out, partial driveway tear out, because water is going where it's not supposed to be. We're gonna find out what's going on. First job of the year. Thanks for waiting for us all winter. We're back at it. See you then, guys. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe.
Ay, disculpe, pero esto nos va a servir mucho. Ay, no, un taladro y el tren. Te vamos a subir todo, una media pulgada. Y de ahí que nos tenemos. ¿Cuándo qué? No, ¿cuándo?
Esa también todo va para arriba.
Ahí está nivel.
Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So the reason we were brought on this job site was because this whole corner where he's digging sunk down. I was certain the pipe was clogged. Homeowner says it's not clogged. I said, fine, fair enough. We start pouring, this snow starts melting, and there's water coming up the pipe that was here. We wonder what's going on. Turns out it wasn't flowing. There were so many holes in the pipe that I had been draining into the surrounding area, made the customer think, hey, this thing's flowing, I don't need to get the concrete guys to do it. So now mid pour, we're redigging this out. We're gonna cut this pipe, install it, have it daylight on this side of the sidewalk. We could have done it yesterday. It's technically no one's fault, just terrible Colorado home builders and some bad circumstances. So now we're gonna have this pipe in here. Hopefully we'll be good and it'll be problem fixed. But yeah, that black pipe, which I don't like, I'm a white PVC guy, wasn't done right. Now we're having to dig mid pour because it actually wasn't flowing. Here, the pipe is about where my hands is, and it should be maybe 3 inches lower like it was over there. So there was this hump where it was coming up and everything stayed right here and it was just draining into the surroundings. So now we're trying to jerry rig this and hopefully make it work. Let's see. Wish us the best. All right guys, there it is. Check it out. We the concrete was wet enough, so we dug in there. We got a white PVC pipe in there. Admittedly, not as good as we would have done had we known that thing was clogged, but pretty kick butt job. It's in there. They can now attach from it here and then run it wherever they need to, which I'm very happy. They're gonna be able to sell their house. They're gonna be able to be happy about the work. We stepped up, we got it done. One heck of a curveball, but one pour done. Next one is the driveway for tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by, guys. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, there it is. Final pour went well. 5 slump. We're now doing 4,500 psi concrete. A little change I've done now. Everything went well. We got a swell from that little corner there this way. The only time I've ever sloped concrete towards a house is that little strip. It's actually sloping that way, so this could give us another inch to give us this swell, because this whole corner sunk because that drain, which was supposedly draining, it was not, it was very clogged, was just releasing water into this whole area, which damaged everything, that corner, the garage floor. But we got the pipe in, even though it was in the middle of a pour. First time we ever did that. Good for us. Pour went well. Customers should be able to sell this house soon, and whoever gets this house will have a nice front porch and driveway section. Next week we are doing a weird little section for storage under a deck. Stick around for that. See you guys next week. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Bye bye guys.